La uno Andile, I'm a recovering drug addict. I grew up in Mfulo, Soweto.
Yes.
Masicala high school like kuba naleyo peer pressure like trying to fit in. We used to watch abo izo thina like we used to funa ukungena kulawo ma character lawo.
Yeah.
I started smoking inyawupe mina. Sisekasi manje. Welcome to the azenzeki izinto lewepezenzeka on my early days mangijwayele ukhasila kusahasileki nje esikolweni I was already doing alcohol. I used to call it like DNA.
Yeah.
Which I was bengi proud ngayo. Khombe ngento engibonayo ukuthi iyangibulala mara mina ngibona ukuthi iyangibulala. Honestly speaking, yeah, it's magical. It's chemical hyper potential energy. When I'm hustling, mengasida ngingafuni ukuthi ngibone ukuthi ngibhemile and I would like go ngihambe ngiyogeza ngingafuni ukufana nabo end up la ekugcineni ke mina sengishana sengigcineke sengiba relaxed ke angisafuna ukugeza angisafuna ukwenzani ngecala lento lena manje it's that magical that chemical sengenile manje kimi like siyangifela. I thought I'm in control of it but mina say control me. I'll steal, manipulate,